welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make simple hair clip with clay. Without any delay, let's go into the video. First we have to take some clay and make into a cylindrical shape. Then cut into 5 equal parts. Make them into round shape. Attach all the balls in a circular shape. After that, take a small clay tool and add small cuts in the middle of every petal. Now take some red clay and put in the middle of the flower. Add some small details, dotted details to the flower. Now I am using clay mold for making small flowers. Now take an alligator clip, add some glue and stick the flower to it. After that, add some small amount of acrylic yellow color to the middle of each flower. That's it. I hope you all like the video. Please subscribe to my channel.